Hey folks, I have a tenor to show you today. This is number 894. And I tried something a little new with this project. I used a new wood for me. This is Monterey Cypress. So lots of the softwoods we use are technically cypresses. Monterey Cypress comes from Central California though, and it, it's probably about as stiff as spruce, but it has a bit of a glassier, harder feel. So in this case, I thought it was well suited to being the top, back, and sides of an instrument instead of just a softwood top like we normally would do. There is some precedence for this. In Spain, they traditionally made guitars with cypress back and sides, although of course that's a different kind of cypress than Monterey cypress. But you know, I'm not the only one. That's basically what I mean. So in this case, I picked a back and sides part that had some cool sapwood in it. And then the top is a more uniform piece. And I used walnut all around as its contrasting wood. The neck is Porterford cedar with some walnut stripes. It's the closest color match I could get. And then I used dogwood up here. And from far away it just looks brown, but up front it's just full of visual interest. It comes from Lizanne's dogwood tree. And yeah, it's just a simple, lightweight instrument. And I'm really liking the way that this instrument sounds, especially in the upper register. It's just really sweet. Yeah, it just feels really good. So yeah, Monterey Cypress is kind of a new wood for me. I think I would do another one like this. I've got a couple more sets. I got it from a guy who used to live down there. He lives in Bend now. He traded me for some other woods. And yeah, it's just a cool bit of domestic wood here. Number 894. Cheers.